Wildfire alert from Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. Level 1, be ready for possible evacuation for Zone Southwest 14 from north of Southwest Dover Lane, east of Southwest Culver Highway, south of Southwest Hall Road, and west of Southwest Highway 97. Prepare to evacuate. Act early if there is any reason you might need extra time. Leave right away if you feel you are in immediate danger. If conditions change quickly, this may be the only alert you receive. If you will need assistance evacuating persons with additional needs, call 541-384-2080. Do not call 911 unless experiencing an immediate life safety issue.